Hello guys, TechOculus presenting Tech-Paathshala, an online software internship program on different topics. In this short video we are going to discuss about IoT-based humidity and temperature monitoring using Arduino and ESP8266. Arduino Uno is MCU. It fetch data of humidity and temperature from DHT11 sensor and process it and give it to A8266. It is a Wi-Fi module. It is one of the leading platform for Internet of Things. It can transfer a data to Firebase for real-time database. Let's create your own mobile application. To set up this, please go to App Inventor website and press the button Create Apps. Follow the instructions on the website. You might need a Gmail address to authenticate there. It is very simple to create your own app. Now compile our application and download by simply scanning the QR code display on your screen. After scanning the QR code, you can easily download this app on your Android smartphone. So let's move on the most important part of IoT, that is programming. Open Arduino IDE from desktop. Here is my code for humidity and temperature monitoring using Arduino. We include different library for Wi-Fi module and Firebase, which help Arduino Uno to send data using real-time database from Firebase with the help of Wi-Fi module. These two functions are for display the value of humidity and temperature on your app. Now compile your program and upload to Arduino Uno. Congratulations, we made our project in a very simple manner. For more simple IoT project, kindly register in our internship program. We are here to boost your technical knowledge by working many more real-world projects.